Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You've plugged the Chromecast into the TV HDMI and connected power. Now turn the TV to that input. Open the Google Home app on your phone and sign in with your Google account so the app can discover devices. Once the device appears, tap to set up. Grant Bluetooth and location permissions so the app can find the Chromecast. Make sure your phone uses the Wi-Fi network you intend to cast from. This avoids network conflicts during pairing. You'll see a pairing code on the TV. Confirm it matches the code shown in the app to ensure you're connecting to the right device. Next, choose the Wi-Fi network and enter the password. Chromecast needs a stable connection, so pick the same band your phone uses. After connecting, name the device and assign a room to organize multiple devices. If an update is offered, install it now, because firmware updates fix bugs and improve casting reliability. You're ready to cast. Open a cast-enabled app like YouTube or Chrome, tap the cast icon and choose your Chromecast. Play a short video to verify audio and picture. If casting fails, reboot the Chromecast by unplugging power for 10 seconds, then try again. Make sure your phone and Chromecast remain on the same Wi-Fi. If problems persist, perform a factory reset using the device button in the small hold and release sequence. This clears.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.